Blizzard teased the future of competitive Overwatch in a revealing Overwatch 2 PvP livestream, with the devs confirming another new mode is secretly in the works to complement Push. A near 3-hour broadcast on May 20 gave us our biggest look yet at PvP in Overwatch 2. From the shocking announcement of 5v5 gameplay to some major hero reworks, there's a lot to digest. While certain details were hammered home throughout the lengthy stream, other tidbits may have gone unnoticed among the tidal wave of fresh intel. Perhaps the biggest reveal that somewhat flew under the radar was confirmation of an entirely new mode being developed behind the scenes. We all knew Push was in the works to shake things up in the Overwatch sequel. After all, it was part of the initial reveal back in 2019. However, we now also know to expect yet another fresh game mode when Overwatch 2 launches. Blizzard new maps could be built from the ground up to suit the new mode in Overwatch 2. Prior to the new look, Blizzard assured fans 2CP would be scratched from PvP. Having now confirmed the controversial mode will leave the competitive playlist, which leaves a void in the Overwatch 2 multiplayer experience. It was fair to assume Push would be the replacement. New Overwatch director Aaron Keller confirmed, however, an additional game mode is also in the works. "We don't have any details we're ready to share just yet," he added. However, we can expect to hear about the new mode soon, along with which maps it might be played on once Overwatch 2 finally arrives. Read more: 5 locations we'd love to see made into Overwatch 2 maps. This means we can expect a total of 5 modes ready for play when Overwatch 2 is released: Control, Escort, Hybrid, Push, and this yet-to-be-seen edition. It's obviously too early to tell just how this new mode might play out. We already have multiple modes centered around capturing locations and advancing through maps. As for what comes next, we'll just have to wait and see what Blizzard has in mind. Read more: Owl Pros want devs to add new support hero in Overwatch 2. We still don't know when Overwatch 2 will be dropped. With characters being rebuilt, and evidently, new modes theorized, we're definitely a ways off.